Hello Gpat aspirants. So GDC crash course for the Gpat 2022 is going to start from tomorrow. So only one day to go. Now join GDC crash course for your Gpat 2022 preparation. This is the course in which you can get everything what is needed for your Gpat preparation Gpat 2022, and this course is going to make you eligible to qualify the Gpat in just 90 days, because this have the everything what you need for your Gpat preparation. Here you will get free study material in the form of ebook, 1000 recorded video lectures, 150 live classes, 500 online tests, 25 class tests. These all things you are just going to get it only in 4,400 rupees. So what are you waiting for? So if you dream about Gpat 2022, then join GDC crash course. For that, you just have to download GDC CLASSES app from the Play Store, and by this you can directly join into the GDC crash course.